Hi, I'm Van J, and I'm a Floridian, one of the last Floridians, coming from North Florida, born in the mid-60s. What drives me to paint is what I see every day. I chose to bring to y'all is called No Peace, No Unity. And my outlook from this painting is the sun is pretty much what fuels everything on earth. I mean, that's where that broken heart came in. The face of the painting is basically everybody got a face. Everybody want peace. So, but everybody needs money to make it in today's society. So the broken heart basically symbolizing that, when peace is turned sideways, everything is spilling out of, it's like blood, but it's upside down hearts. It's my way of saying like the heart is broken and it's turned over and it's crying. And a lot of times when we hurt, we seem to lash out. So it becomes like these skeletons, like death. And I got this lady in this hat, like she used to have this Floridian dream and convertible house on the beach thing, but now she's in no flesh. She's back to bones, cause she lived for the greed. And I got the world. They had it in their hand, but it's so small to what peace is. They ain't have no peace for the world, so that's why I got the world so tiny. The color of this tree, basically, the black and yellow, if you mix it, is green. And a lot of time, that's what most people, die for, and they go greedy over greed as far as the green, the money. So that was my way of putting that expression out, man. You ain't got no tree with no leaves on it. It really don't got no life to it no more. But the snake here symbolizes going across the money is basically why we don't have any peace, because it's going across what everybody is really about nowadays. It takes society. Of course, it takes confetti money to make it, but for what cause would we, value peace, love, and happiness for everybody? The more I can help, whether, it's through a painting, a couple of dollars, or a sandwich, or what have you, I try to help, But I feel like we just need more unity, more people striving for the same cause. To have peace, we must have unity.